We're glad you're back. Don't miss the chance to get the latest SHIB forecast and do your marketing by subscribing to our newsletter. I have something new going on in the protracted bear market that I want to report to you. I thought it was time to start compensating actual contributors like you. Every week, one Chobani subscriber will earn 100 million chips just for being a member. This is correct. 100 million Shiba Inu coins. See discussion for clarification. The Shiba Inu is this week's featured project on the service. Despite the market fluctuations, Shiba has noticed a slight increase in token holders, which has kept the company optimistic despite the market chaos caused by the drama. Sadik notes that there has been an overall uptick in Shiba Inu token holders, indicating an overall positive sentiment, despite widespread fear and uncertainty that the FTC implosion has made in the market. The Shiba Inu seems to hold up better to bears than the bulk of the originals, at least according to the series measures in the social point of view. Keeping the community updated with the latest chain metrics and social opinions on the meme coin, Shib, a blockchain security and analytics platform, aired its weekly spotlight episode on Chip on Thursday. KDK claims that its Skynet social analysis module revealed useful information on the paper. Shiba Inu Social Sentiment Index. The asset has a social sentiment index score of 79%, which is a promising sign of optimism. This is still a very good score given the current state of affairs in the crypto world. Sadik also revealed that while the asset has been declining for the 24-hour period, along with the rest of the market, the number of gray token holders increased the day before. Since yesterday, the number of people owning tokens has increased by 0.25% to 127 tokens on the chain monitoring and intelligence module according to the saying. Looking at the number of people holding SHIB tokens, we can see that it has been steadily increasing over the past few days. This may indicate that investors are willing to buy the SHIB despite the current volatility in the market, one of the highest levels in the past 2 months at $1.27 million. According to SHIB Services Overview, the asset has a trust score of 93% and a safety score of 92%, both of which are very high. As a result, pricing sentiment is neutral, recording an average of 53% for the past week. Furthermore, Shiba DEX volume increased by 429% over the past 24 hours, reaching $1.5 million. Everyday potential reasons for Schwab's strong performance. Increased public support for the Shiba Inu project is just one of several recent changes that may be responsible for the asset's encouraging performance indicators. Recently, the creators of the Shiba Inu Metaverse project revealed the second piece of concept art for the Technology Trenches central node. This indicates that we are making good progress on the project. After a year of adoption of the Medium coin platform, SHIB has reached the 12th most popular payment method list in CoinGuide, which shows an increasing usage rate of the asset on the coin portal. According to Lithuanian crypto payments processor CoinGuide, the recent disclosure of Crypto.com as financial statements by the exchange has been received very positively by the SHIB community. The meme coin is the second largest asset in the reserves of Singapore exchanges after Bitcoin, which accounts for nearly 80% of its $2.4 billion net worth. Meanwhile, XDAI appears to be preparing for some comeback against the bears despite these promising developments, which posted a gain of 0.6% in the last 24 hours to trade at 5.96 as of press time. It made you pessimistic. Short trades can be initiated here. The Shiba Inu Dog Share Daily Time frame chart is showing a bearish market structure. Recently, there has been a negative trend in aggregate opinions on SHIB. After last week's drama and doom surrounding the FTC exchange, investor confidence in Bitcoin has been relatively low, as the cryptocurrency is trading at $16.08 at press time after breaking below the crucial support level. The Shiba Inu chart showed a significant bearish bias. From November 30 to November 15, the US dollar index fell, while indices such as the Dow Jones and the Standard and Poor's 500 rose about 8% over the same time period. Fears of a ripple effect from the FTC's March progress on June 22 led the Shiba Inu to build a bearish waterlog highlighted by the red box that dragged the cryptocurrency market. Since then, grain prices have risen significantly on each subsequent retest of this region. Although these increases were not immediate, they did show that there are still interested buyers in the area. The public wants to know when Shub and Gil tweeted that the initial design had been approved to celebrate the initial approval of the designs. Satoshi Kusama announced his plans to double down, but he didn't say more about the nature of this good news. the members of Shiba's army began to wonder if the discussion was really about Shiba, Cream, or Shiba itself, the smartphone sequel to the epic RPG Eternity. In the aftermath, the Shib developer remained silent. However, the general response from the neighborhood has been favorable, with the AI Metaverse team announcing 2 new senders. Despite the ambiguity of the tweets, this week, Team Shib unveiled 2 new Metaverse senders via a Twitter showcase of concept art. The first of these was titled Dunes, and it represented an oasis in the form of a grand, geometrically futuristic place with flashy architecture and refreshing waters for intrepid tourists. The second piece of concept artwork this week was for the army of sheep at the Tech Trench Center. The concept for the latter came from some of the best tech organizations in the world, such as those at Yale and Princeton in the US. From Japan's Mod Cocoon, Cocoon Tower, and Ottoman Queen University to Switzerland's Rolex Learning Center, there are some great educational institutions around the world. The Shib development team is now collaborating with a leading visual studio to develop Metaverse, Encase Metaverse holding on the 3rd floor. Earlier this year, the development team upset the community by revealing a few Metaverse nodes before the project's official release. The 105,095 launch hubs for the Metaverse will be placed there when the Metaverse is finally ready. All 36,431 of them will be available so far. About 5,600 individuals and businesses have paid for 19,000 acres of digital land. To show your support, please subscribe to our channel and give the video a like. Key developer Shiba Inu makes a mysterious tweet. The public as a whole thought this article about a dream was too little to even bother with. Kusama sends a mysterious tweet that many people are guessing. The Shiba community is baffled by a recent tweet from the fictitious main developer of Shiba Inu, the United States Satoshi Kusama. Kusama wrote in a tweet that the lead designer of the dog-themed cryptocurrency had to prove his first concept, and that means he can move forward with that plan. And he said, "Let rubbish show itself as a tide of good intentions, honesty washed over the glow." Those with gray hair speculated that it was close to Saturday, since Kusama posted the cryptic message in an effort to determine what the lead developer is working on. Members of the Shiba Inu community have taken to the comments section. As far as Shiba Inu fanatics are concerned, Kusama is just another name for the long-awaited second-layer scaling solution codenamed Shiba Dream. Thank you so much to everyone who stopped by to watch. Wait for the next video.